In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add thumbnail in Instagram Reels by Hootsuite. Adding a custom cover for your Instagram Reel is a simple way to make your post look more polished and more intentional. When people scroll quickly, the cover image is often the first thing they notice, so choosing the right thumbnail can help your reel stand out. To begin, open Hootsuite on your device. Once it loads, you should see your main dashboard or home screen where you manage your social posts. Take a moment to confirm you are signed in and ready to create a new post, because the next actions depend on being in the Composer area. Next, click Create, and then choose Post. You are moving into the posting workflow, where you select what type of content you want to publish. After you click Post, look for a section or option that lets you pick the social network and the post format. Now select Instagram Reel. This step matters because it configures the Composer for Reel-specific settings, including how the video and cover image are handled. If you choose the wrong format, the option for a custom cover might not appear in the same way. After that, upload your video. Depending on your screen, you might see an upload button or an area where you can drag and drop your file. Select your Reel video file and wait for it to finish uploading. While it uploads, make sure the correct video is selected, since this is the content that will display in your Reel after posting. Once your video is uploaded, hover over the 3 dots on the video. You will typically see this menu appear as a small control next to the video preview. This is the place where additional video options are available. Then click Video Settings, and within that area, choose Add Custom Cover. At this point, you should see a setting that lets you replace the default cover with your own thumbnail image. This is useful because the default cover might be a frame from the video that does not represent your content well. Now upload your thumbnail. Choose the image file you want to use as the cover for your reel. After uploading, check that the thumbnail preview looks correct and is clearly visible. If the preview looks slightly off, you can stop and re-upload a different image before you apply it. When you are satisfied with the thumbnail selection, click Apply. This confirms the cover image and updates the video preview with your custom thumbnail. If you do not click Apply, your changes might not be saved, so it is important to complete this step. Finally, once everything looks good, click Post. This sends your reel to Instagram using the settings you configured. Before you click Post, it is a good idea to quickly review the final preview on screen to ensure the thumbnail and video are both correct, and that covers everything you need to know. If you follow these steps in Hootsuite, you will be able to add a custom thumbnail to your Instagram Reels and help your content make a strong first impression.